Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we just have a nice little quick breakdown of a way to get into your tripod headstand and some things to keep in mind and to look for when you're doing it. All right, little Maya here is gonna be my helper today. So first thing we're gonna do is you're gonna take your thumb and place it right in between your eyes, right at your third eye center, and then place your middle finger on top of your head. Wherever your middle finger lands, that's the crown of your head. That's the place that's going to be put on your mat. All right. So really just kind of push on there, get a feeling for where that space is, because that's where your head, that's the spot that you want to go on the ground. All right. So I'm going to turn and face this way so you can see me getting in there. All right, little girl, come on. Okay. So once you make your way to your mat and you've found your spot on the head, you are going to create a little tripod. Your hands are going to be the bottom 2 points of the triangle and your head is going to be the top point. So place your hands on your mat far apart. From here, you're going to bring your head down to the mat. Just get that place on there that you felt your fingers, and then you're going to keep your elbows in line with your shoulders. From here, walk your toes in and bring your knees to your triceps. And just kind of get used to this feeling. From here, you want to just don't sink into your shoulders. You want to press through your shoulders and lift out of your neck. If you're feeling comfortable, maybe you want to lift one toe. Maybe you want to lift both feet and bring your toes together. Get used to this feeling. Once you're feeling comfortable, you're going to engage your core and start to lift your legs. Stack your knees and your hips on top of your shoulders and extend your feet towards the sky. Keep pressing through your palms and your fingers, lifting out of your shoulders. Flex your toes, engage your glutes and your belly. All right, and you can just come on back down however feels good to you. All right, it's a little breakdown of a tripod headstand there for you. Feel free to play with it as much as you like and enjoy. We'll see you all soon.